I am a teacher. Teacher. I teach students every day. I am a doctor. I help sick people. I am a nurse. I take care of patients. I am a police officer. I keep people safe. I keep people safe. I am a chef. I cook delicious food. I am a firefighter. I put out fires. I put out fires. I am a shopkeeper. I sell many things. I am a farmer. I grow vegetables. I am a dentist. I check your teeth. I am a pilot. I fly an airplane. I am a mechanic. I fix cars. I am a waiter. I serve food. I am a barber. I cut hair. I am an engineer. I build useful things. I am a delivery rider. I deliver food and parcels. I am a painter. I paint walls. I am a carpenter. I make furniture.